Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Absolutely Shaw. Welcome to my channel and welcome to another lip gloss making video. So if you are new here, my name is Shahida. Thank you for stopping by. And in today's video, you are going to see me make my Galaxy lip gloss. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hope you enjoy the video. So you just saw me put in my oil fusion. I like to get that from TKB. I'll leave the link in the description box below, but I put about 2 or 3 caps full of the TKB's oil fusion, and then I like to just mix it in really good. Again, the consistency of your lip gloss is based on your preference, so I pretty much just eyeball it and I mix it, and then I look at it and see if it's at the texture that I like. Okay, so you just saw me put in my coconut oil. So I like to use a bit of the TKB oil fusion, and then I also like to use the coconut oil. And that's pretty much all I use. That's all I put in to the lip gloss base, besides the pigment of color. But yeah, so I'm just giving that a good stir and making sure it's to a consistency that I like. All right, so this is the mica pigment that I'm going to use. It's a really pretty purple. Oh my gosh, I just think it's so pretty, it gives me Galaxy vibes. All right, so now I'm going to put some of the mica powder into the lip gloss. I have the measuring spoons. I want to say I think I got those measuring spoons from TKB. If so, I'll leave that description. I'll leave the link to that in the description box below also. So I had basically an idea of how can I explain this? I had an idea of like how dark, I guess, I wanted the lip gloss to be. So as you see now, I just used like one little small dash of it, and then it came out, you know, this light purplish color. But I was going for a little bit more darker, but now that I look at it now, I might do a lip gloss with just one little dash. Anyway, so I'm going back in and I'm doing a second dash of it, because I wanted it to be, look how pretty that is. It's like a purple holographic. Look at this shimmer. This lip gloss, let me tell y'all, is so pretty. It's so pretty. But yeah, so you're going to see me put in a little bit more as I stare and I judge it and I look at it. You're gonna see me go back in and do a little bit more because I wanted it to be a bit darker in the color, but it still gives off a great shimmer when you apply it to your lips. All right, so this is the grape flavoring that I'm adding to the lip gloss. So this is grape scented. This is, I'm not really crazy about that flavoring oil. I don't think it gives enough, you know, bam. Like, I feel like you practically have to use like the whole little jar of it in order to really like get the scent um, from it. But anyway, yeah. So this is going to be a great scented lip gloss, and that's what you see me adding in is the grape. So as you see, when I add in the grape flavoring oil, it tints the lip gloss and it makes it a darker purple. And that's pretty much the color that I was going for. So with this particular flavoring oil, it did make the lip gloss darker. So you might just want to keep that in mind. If you use some flavoring oils, will make your shade of your lip gloss a bit darker. But yeah, that's exactly the color that I was going for. All right, and this is what it looks like when I put it in the syringe. Look how pretty that is. So gorgeous. Okay, so now you see me filling up the lip gloss tubes. This is the like the clear lip gloss tubes. Oh my gosh, it was a disaster. I'm not filling it up all the way to the top because with, like, you know how with the wand tubes you need to have some space so that when you put the stopper in and then you put the top in, that it doesn't overflow. Oh, I had a struggle with filling these in, but I sped it up a little bit. But you just simply see me filling in the wand tubes, and it looks so pretty. Look at that, it looks so pretty. Yeah, and now these are, I also have them available in sample sizes. So this is a smaller squeeze tube. So Galaxy, which is the name of this lip gloss, it is also available in squeeze tubes, sample size. So yeah, so that's what you see me doing. Look how pretty that is. And so now these are the 10 milliliter squeeze tubes. So I do have them available in squeeze tubes, the larger size squeeze tubes or the smaller. Okay, and so now this is the final product. So I'm putting the, as you can see in the shadow, I'm putting the top on the clear wand tubes, and I'm all out of frame, but there you go. So that's what it looks like in the clear wand tubes, which I think it looks super, super pretty. And so yeah, basically at this point I'm just putting the caps and the tops on the lip gloss, and then I will show you guys a picture of what the final product excuse me. I will show you guys a picture at the end of what the final product looks like. So yeah, if you are interested in purchasing the Galaxy lip gloss, you can head over to lipmaven.com. They are available now. Again, I have sample size available, which you see there. I also have the larger squeeze tube sizes available, and I have the wand tube sizes available. So yeah. Okay, and now I'm doing the larger size squeeze tube. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I hope you enjoyed watching me make lip gloss. I know I love watching others make lip gloss too. I don't know, it's just so satisfying. But I thank you so much for stopping by. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so that the next time I upload a video, you will be the first to be notified. And yeah, I will see you guys in my very next video. And again, thank you so much for watching.